How to enable multi-guest requests on TikTok. Now, for us to get this done, let's just go ahead and tap the plus sign right here, and we're going to choose live down below, and I'm going to go ahead and click go live. Now, if you're wondering why that screen is black, it's actually because I put the phone on a table so we can minimize distractions. Now, from here, let's just go ahead and click the guest button down here, and then we're going to click the gear icon here. And then I want you to go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to the section called who can send you requests. So from this point forward, just go ahead and enable these, especially the last one right here, prioritize requests from gifters. So that is very important. You want to make sure that gifters who send you coins, for example, are going to be prioritized first. Now go ahead and set this, for example, to 10. Basically, it's mentioning that gifters who send you 10 coins are gonna be prioritized, 10 coins and above, of course. And that is how you're going to enable multi-guest request on TikTok.